In this tutorial, we'll go through the custom macros sign-in procedure and how to work with user logins and output folders. Start by running ImageJ with custom macros installed. Upon ImageJ startup, two buttons are visible. The question mark Help button provides two options. Selecting Documentation opens a browser window with the custom macros manual. Selecting Shortcuts opens a dialog in ImageJ with a table of keyboard and button press shortcuts used in the various procedures. The orange Power On Start button initiates the plugin. Press the Start button. A sign-in prompt appears. Note that the current software version and latest admin update times are shown at the top. Below that is a list of all current user logins. Let's create a new user login. Type in a login name following the criteria indicated in the window. A prompt appears confirming sign-in. Update messages from the admin are shown at the top. The username and output directory are below. With sign-in complete, several new buttons are added to the interface, and over 40 new single command functions are installed. Opening the Output ImageJ folder on the desktop reveals that a folder hierarchy based on the user login has been created. A preliminary results spreadsheet with its file name based on the user login is also created. This file is automatically updated with data generated during analyses run by the user signed in. Note that the current user output folder may also be opened with the keyboard shortcut F12. To sign in as a different user, press the Start button again. Note that your new login is now available. Let's create another login. Uh-oh, there's a typo in the login. Press the Start button again to sign in. Select the typo login and check the delete box. And create another login with the correct name. That's better. Note that deleting logins does not delete folders, so the typo login is still in the output folder. Let's delete that folder. You can check what the current login is at any time by pressing the keyboard shortcut F11. This opens the info window command. The current software version and latest admin update times are shown at the top. Username and output directory are below. The current image scale and measurement calibration are below that. Finally, let's sign back in to the first login we created. That's it. Now that you're signed in, you have updated to the latest plugin version and user list, are set up to run custom macros image analysis commands, are naming and saving analysis data based on your user login.